Alright y'all, welcome to Southern Living John. Today we're going to be doing these beautiful ribeyes. We're going to try something different. I'm going to smoke them on the pellet grill for a little while. And then throw them on the charcoal grill. Maybe the kettle grill, I ain't made them. I got so many grills, I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. But it's going to be one of them. Got some medium pairings. Let me show you this. W sauce. Just coat it. Give it a little flip over. Just let them sit for a little while. Go ahead and get this pellet grill preheated. Also going to be using some of this McCormick's Grill Mates Montreal steak. It's good. It's gonna be great. Alright y'all stay tuned. Now let's put these things on the grill, y'all. First thing I'm gonna do, try to put a probe in one of them. Each one be the lucky one. Try to go. That'd be fairly close. Oh, come out the other side there again. On this pellet grill, we did about, I don't know, 147, and I'm going to seal them off. Kind of a long cook, but not seeing ways. Alright, just give it another little spray. Probably going to cook on my Oklahoma Joe's grill. So I'll do it on the kettle grill, but I won't get everything out. So y'all stay tuned. Anytime you want to, get that like, subscribe. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and get this charcoal stirred up. Steaks don't like a whole lot. Cotton balls in there. I started right here in the middle. That's it. I know I got this propane torch here, but saving on my propane, y'all. It's going to take a few minutes to just get up the temperature. So we're just going to chill out, drink a few beers, and enjoy this cooler day. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, let's see how these bad boys are doing. One of my probe right there is about 130, 34 or something up. Let's check this out now. Let's go up there. 113, 118. Maybe I ain't got that probe in the right place. I'm gonna let it rock on a little while longer. I'll get it up about another 15-20 minutes. I'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, let's check them again. there says 143. I don't think I got it in the right spot. We're about at 125. That's about medium word. 127. I'm gonna pull these. Got to tell you, cooking with or smoking with Pitmaster competition gun. I'm just gonna pull them off and then rest a little while. Of course, pull this plate out. I don't know why I put it in there for, to be honest with you. Gonna put these things off over here to the side. Got y'all hungry going on. Let me shut this grill off. Another fly going through the way. It's coming along. It's coming along. Just gonna set them right here and let it chill out for a little while. Let's go have another beer. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and sear these steaks off. Maybe that's gonna be hot enough. Got y'all in the picture. Let me do a slight adjustment. Give me a little sipper here, a natty light. Oh yeah. Well, there goes one of them. Get up a little bit hotter, but we got the one side hot. Alright, let me bring you back when it's time to flip them. Alright, let's flip them over. See what we got here. What y'all think about that? Basically that's it, y'all. It took about, I don't know, 45 minutes on the grill. I did turn the heat down a little bit. Let me get these off and I'll bring y'all back to the taste test. Alright y'all, let's cut in this bad boy. About an inch thick. I was shooting for a medium, but I think I didn't want to make it all crusty and all. Well, we're close to a medium. You'll see that. Let me get this centerpiece right here. Alright. Here goes the taste test, y'all. Check it out. Cheers. Great. Well, at least I didn't mess up $40 worth of steak. But yeah, something new. Love it, love it. All right, to y'all. Sorry. Till next time, y'all.